Hello everyone, I'm Aman and this is again going to be a mini blog type where I went to Bangalore International Exhibition Center, as you can see. So this place is located at very end of the green metro line. So as you can see, these areas are very empty space. So at first I enjoyed the view, and this is the entrance. There I saw lots of school kids also. Here you can see a lot in the hall. There are lots of international company where engineer student can find lots of opportunity. As you can imagine, there were lots of company who were offering internship or a job if they're available. So primarily you can find only aerospace company majorly, but there were some component manufacturer. Although this exhibition were meant to fully aerospace sector, as you can see there are spaceships and rocket models also. Although junior first year students were not given so much of importance, but there was lots of exposure where you can see a lots of product which India doesn't manufacture, lots of machining processes and everything. That's all in the video. There are lots of scope. Please comment and subscribe my channel for more. Thank you so much for watching.